Hello everybody, today we'll be reviewing the Netduma R2, the brand new gaming router from Netduma right here, powered by Duma OS as you can see here. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video and we'll be doing a review video afterward right here. But today we'll be focusing on the unboxing first, and then I will tell you my experience of my usage on this and would I recommend it or not later in the later video. So if you guys wanted to see that, please help subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. Now let's see here. As you can see, these are what the Duma OS offer right here. Geo filter is restricted connection from like the location that is very far away from you. For example, if you're on the East Coast right here, we'll restrict the location around here. So that is really depends on where your location is, and you can set how many kilometer, how many distance right here, and thing like that. Okay, so there's also a ping, a live ping right here that you will see a location, bandwidth location. You have seen this in Mumimo router. This is the same thing. This is the same thing offered with Mumimo, but with Duma OS. So as you can see, these are what it said. I'm not gonna read it out. I'm pretty sure you guys are pretty well because like not a lot of people have shown me the box. They just talk about the thing. They haven't really shown me the box right here. So this is what it looked like. It looked very premium, looks great. I think the packaging is amazing. I really like the packaging right here. So let's unbox it right now. So let me put this down for 1 sec. So inside you see completely, this box is a little bit hard to open, but it's well packaged. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to use two hands on this because like it is a little bit hard to open. But here we go. This is it. This is what you greeted with, the router packaged in the cardboard box right here. The router is actually on top right here, so you can just put it aside right here. You got your Netduma instruction manual, full antenna right here. A power supply, a US power supply right here, really nice. I'm pretty sure there's something down there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put this aside for now. Let's see, what is this? This must be the Ethernet cable. So let's see what the Cat 6 Internet cable right here. Not too shabby for the internet cable. I would actually like to see a Cat 7 or above right here, but that's fine. I'm actually pretty happy with that. So that's about it. That's all the box come with right here. That's gonna end it for our unboxing video. So we got Ethernet cable, we got a lovely antenna right here, a power supply, a really lovely manual. Let's see if there's anything on it. So basically it's just an instruction right here on how to use the OS, the geo filter, the quick start, and our lovely router right here. Let's get it out and show you. So two antenna on each side, LED light on the front. Okay, this is the internet, goes in the blue one right here, and then you put your LAN on 1 2 3 4 right here. So if my use would be gaming PC, streaming PC, PS4 and Xbox One, so it's perfect. Perfect usage right here. Would love to see a little bit more port though, but that's okay. I'm very happy with it. As for the internet connection, I have heard that the Wi-Fi is not very impressive, but you bought this kind of modem for the LAN connection right here. So don't expect the Wi-Fi to be super amazing or whatnot, but just expect that you're buying it for the software inside and the OS Duma right here. And I'll see if it's really worth it. I'll see you guys in a little bit later. Cheers everyone, and please stay tuned to the channel. Bye bye for now.